Sometimes we are thinking about this all trigonometrical function: sine, cosec, cos, sec, tan, cot. And today I'm going to discuss sign of their trigonometrical angles. For negative angle, someone is giving negative value, someone is giving positive value. Especially today I am going to discuss for cos and sec, because every time cos and sec theta for negative angle also giving positive value, you can see over there. But sine, cosec, tan, cot, for negative angle they are giving negative value only. So that's why this video is very important for you to know why cos and sec always be positive for negative angle also. So let's begin with deep concentration and try to understand the basic ideas. I'll try to explain here with this diagram. You can see over there, this one is called x-axis, this one is called x-axis, this one is y-axis. You know that is y, that is y dash, negative, that is x, this is x dash. Now I'll try to draw a circle. So before going to draw a circle, I have to take a particle along y-axis. Suppose the particle is moving like this from the origin, it's going like this along y-axis. Okay, and after going to this point, now this particle is trying to go along y-axis. After going through the x-axis, now he want to go along y-axis. So suppose this point is coming in this place. Suppose this point is coming in this place. Just you think this place, the point is coming. And in the same time, this point is moving backward to the y-axis also. That means this way, same distance this particle is moving. Now if we try to draw an angle for this particle through origin, then the angle will become like this. No, here it is very important. Okay, particle. So I'm drawing here, it will be more easy to understand. Okay, here it is coming like this. Okay, now just you see here, always in trigonometrical function we are measuring our angle in anti-clockwise like this. So this is positive theta. This one also same angle because their distance are same. This distance and this distance same from here. This is the main point. This is the point. Now if this is positive theta, definitely this angle will be negative theta because this is clockwise, and in trigonometrical function always we are measuring any angle clockwise, sorry, anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise always be positive, any angle always we are considering anti-clockwise. Now you can see over there, if I give here one name, this is P, O, this is P, this is P dash, and this is I am giving M, and this one is 90 degree. You can see over there, this one also 90 degree. Now from these two triangle, triangle OPM and triangle OP dash M, from here we can get, just you see, OM is common side. No, OM is equals to AM is equals to what? Common side. We can write down this is common side, this is common side. And another one is, you can see over there, this is 90 degree angle. No, this is 90 degree angle. So we can write over there OP is equals to OMP dash. Each angle 90 degree, each angle 90 degree. Now last one, this one is moving like this. So if we draw one circle, is possible. Okay, if we draw one circle will come like this. One circle will come like this. These 2 point, it will go. One circle will come. Now if you see this circle, this one is becoming radius, no? This one is becoming radius. So R, this one is R, this one also will become R. That means we can say for a circle, always the length of all the radius are same. So that's why we can write down here OP is equals to OP dash, radius. Okay, now you can see we can use this triangle and this triangle congruent to each other. So we can write down over there OMP, congruent triangle OMP dash, by which property? Right angle hypotenuse side, this property, right angle hypotenuse side. Okay, now we can prove this triangle and this triangle are congruent to each other. Now I'm coming to this next point, this sine theta. Now I'm calculating from first triangle, that is OMP. From this triangle I'm calculating. From this triangle, if I calculate sine theta, because here angle is theta, sine theta equals to, we know, height by hypotenuse, yes or no? So here height is, you can see, PM, height is PM and hypotenuse is PO. So height PM, that is, if I consider this is positive y, just this is positive y, then this one will be definitely minus y, yes or no? This is negative y, definitely, because negative side, this is positive y. So we can write down over there, that is y by r. Now in the same time I am drawing here OMP dash. From this case we can write down sine minus theta, because here angle is minus theta, you can see over there from this diagram. Minus theta equals to M P dash M by P dash O, because height is P dash M, this one is height and this is hypotenuse, P dash O, you can see over there. So it is coming minus y by r. So see over there, we can write down from here sine minus theta is equals to minus y by r, and minus y by r means minus sine theta, because the value of y by r, you can see the value of y by r is equals to sine theta. So my sine minus theta is equals to minus sine theta, it is coming. Sine minus theta equals to minus sine theta, it is coming. This one we have proved already. Now I am going for especially cos. Now similarly I will try to draw OMP. For this case I will take cos theta. Cos theta equals to, we know, base and hypotenuse. So for this triangle cos theta base, that means this one is base. So OM and hypotenuse is PO. So OM, I am considering this is x, always x, this is x, positive all the times. So we can write down x by r. Now same time I will try to draw OMP dash also. So from here cos minus theta, now angle is minus theta for this triangle, is equals to same bhumi, that is base OM by hypotenuse, that is P dash O. OM here also x and P dash O R. See, the value of x by r is equals to cos theta, no? So we can write down here cos theta. So from here it is proved that cos minus theta is equals to simple cos theta. These two results are very important. These two results are very important. So sine minus theta, we got sine minus theta equals to minus sine theta, but cos minus theta equals to cos theta. So geometrically, if we try to prove this, we can prove it. Today I have done in this way. Now with the help of the sine theta and cos theta, we can obtain all the angles, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta, everything we can obtain. I think it's clear for you. I think it's clear for you. Okay, now I am going to my previous slide for doing this. See, if we have proved already that sine minus theta equals to minus sine theta and cos minus theta equals to cos theta, positive only. Now I am here to explain, just I will take more 3 minutes for explaining this. So here we know sine theta, we know sine theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta. Okay, so for this case, if we use here sine minus theta, so definitely it will become 1 by cosec minus theta, cosec minus theta. So 1 by cosec minus theta, and this one will become 1 by minus cosec theta, because for sine, this is the function of sine only, because sine and cosec is reciprocal to each other, one relationship is given, so we can consider like this way. So this is that is why sine, for sine cosec is coming, and for cos sec is coming, because you can write down here cos theta equals to 1 by sec theta, because they are correlated to each other, so that's why they are together, and here sine and cosec theta they are together. Now I am coming to tan and cot. What is about tan? We know tan theta is equals to sine theta by cos theta. Now if we consider here tan minus theta, just you see tan minus theta, so we can write sine minus theta by cos minus theta. Now sine minus theta means minus sine theta, but cos minus theta is simple cos theta, we know. So see, again minus sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. So ultimately from here we can prove this, that tan of minus theta is equals to minus tan theta. Now if tan minus theta equals to minus tan theta, from here we can write down, because tan theta equals to 1 by cot theta, they are correlated to each other, that's why tan theta and cot theta also they will become negative for negative angles. I think it's clear for everyone, and it will be very helpful for any upcoming examination. It can be JEE, NET, wireless operator, anything. I think you will get some profit from this video. Okay, thank you, take care, may God bless you.